Okay, so this is a towel hook or a robe clothes hook. Okay, you can do whatever you want with this thing. Basically, I'm gonna show you how to do this. No intros, real easy. You want to be around 5 feet, not too low, not too high, right? Around 5 feet. You'll need your template, which is your instruction sheet, in the box. Look for it. Boom. You get a piece of tape and you drill 2 holes. You drill 2 holes, have somebody help you. Basically, what we want to do is we want to drill them. If you have a drill, use that. But I'm using this screw here, going in and out. Okay, prepping this hole here. You'll need a plastic thingy like this. If you miss the stud, remember 16 inches, right? So if you miss, you'll need this plastic thing. If you don't, you don't. All right, just like that. Remember, be careful, go slow. You don't want it too tight. You don't want this thing too tight. Here we go. Here's our hook, hanging it up. Easy money, right? Now, don't forget, get this little piece of stick in the box and you want to screw this thing in. The reason you're doing this is, okay, here we go. Looks good. Looking good. Your towel hook.